Okay, I saw something really funny the other day. I saw 3 birds. 1 male bird and 2 female birds. And I swear, I felt like I was watching a real-life dating drama. So, the male bird went up to the first female bird. And in my head, I was like, okay, let's see what happens. The male bird was like, "Hi pretty, can I get to know you?" And the female bird basically said, "No, I'm not interested." Then she moved away. But this guy, he was not giving up. He moved closer and was like, "Why? Just give me a chance." And then the female bird was like, "I said no." She moved away again, but he moved closer again. At this point, I was thinking, "Sir, read the room." And then he asked, "What's your name?" And the female bird had clearly had enough. She was basically like, "I told you I'm not interested. Stay away from me." And then she started pecking him. Not once, not twice. She pecked him several times, and then flew away. And this poor male bird just stood there, alone, rejected, probably questioning all his life choices. But wait, he went to the second female bird. And I thought, okay, maybe this one will be different. And nope, same story, same approach, same rejection. And then the second female bird pecked him too and flew away. So there he was. 1 male bird, 2 rejections, back to back. I actually felt kind of bad for him, but at the same time, I was trying so hard not to laugh. And the funniest part is, this is a real story. I actually saw this happen. So, even birds have dating problems.